This video introduces the Cummins QSK60-DM marine diesel engine. It is a 1500 kilowatt, 1500 RPM engine manufactured in August 2023. With only 500 running hours, this unit is in excellent condition and serves as an ideal solution for marine auxiliary power and other heavy-duty applications. Here is a visual overview of the Cummins QSK60-DM engine, highlighting its robust construction and current state. This image shows the technical specifications plate, confirming the model, date of manufacture, and power ratings. A side profile view of the engine, showcasing the external components and overall assembly. This view provides a closer look at the exhaust and turbo configuration of the unit, detailing the top components of the Cummins engine assembly. Finally, this view shows the upper engine assembly in its current condition.